Hi, everyone, this is Auto Age. Today, we are going to talk about the story of China's Tesla, Davinci Tech, another underdog before the game. This may be one of the biggest regrets in venture capital history, and the protagonist is Tesla. The electric car giant recently released a strongest ever financial report, and it shows that Tesla has turned into a money-making machine. But who would have thought that before 2010, Tesla was a unicorn ignored by investors? In 2008, Tesla experienced a serious financial crisis. Musk sold his property to raise $80 million to continue Tesla's life, but he still could not get the support of Wall Street investors. As a result, Musk was on the verge of mental breakdown. However, circumstances changed with the passage of time. The latest market value of it exceeds $800 billion, but there is no venture capital or private equity behind the winner. Now a similar scene seems to be happening on electric motorcycles again. Here, China's first electric motorcycle unicorn is being born. So, how is it? Okay, let's talk about this matter in today's video. Tesla has gone from being a much questioned, obscure company to revolutionizing the global auto industry. Now on the electric motorcycle track, another underrated story may be happening. There is no doubt that electric motorcycles will be another potential track after electric vehicles. There is a huge market space. At present, the annual production and sales of major motorcycle manufacturers in the world exceed 28 million units, and it is predicted that 30% of the share will be replaced by electric motorcycles in the next 5 years. At the same time, electric motorcycles also have more considerable growth potential, from being able to meet the increasingly diverse travel needs of consumers and provide more flexible and personalized travel methods. Besides, mid to high-end motorcycles with both travel and entertainment functions are welcomed by more and more consumers and become the new favorite of travel. At present, the motorcycle industry urgently needs a company like Tesla, which completely transformed and disrupted the whole industry. First, we need to know, what exactly has Tesla changed? Many companies advertise themselves as Tesla, but they have never thought about what Tesla has changed. In 2005, Tesla was born, bringing the auto industry with breakthrough technology, systematic efficiency, and a new profit model, creating the highest market value in the history of auto companies. When traditional giants were still researching fuel vehicle technology, Tesla took a different approach and created a pure electric vehicle. Tesla has innovatively changed the technical architecture of fuel vehicles, leading the era with high-density lithium batteries, digital platform architecture and high-level autonomous driving. More importantly, Tesla has strong mass production capabilities. In this era, whoever can master the core technology and mass production capacity can have the right to speak. The breakthrough technology has brought systematic efficiency. The application of intelligence and networking can also allow Tesla cars to be updated as quickly as smartphones, improving the sense of user experience. Direct sales, online sales, and unified pricing have completely changed the sales model of the traditional automobile industry, making sales efficiency soar. Correspondingly, Tesla's profit model has also changed. The company has changed from the original hardware profit to the hardware plus software plus service profit, and the three fees have continued to decline. Tesla's gross profit margin was once close to 30%, exceeding the industry average. The business logic of the automotive industry has totally changed. The development of Tesla tells us that when the industry is facing a wave of change, only by moving forward in doubt and adhering to innovative technologies, systems and business models can we succeed. In fact, the Tesla of the motorcycle industry has emerged. Born in 2013, Davinci Power Technology, hereinafter referred to as Davinci, is a game changer in this industry. Its products have innovation, strong mass production capacity, and can bring long-term value to the industry. Davinci's DC100 not only solves the problems of traditional fuel-charged motorcycles and gives the heavy machine a new riding experience, but also breaks through the technical bottleneck of insufficient battery life and slow charging of electric products. Due to the compact body structure and small space of motorcycles, large-capacity batteries cannot be placed, and the performance triangle, range, acceleration, and extreme speed, cannot always be balanced. DC100 achieves a maximum speed of 200 km per hour, a maximum power of 100 kilowatts, a maximum horsepower of 135 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 850 Nm. On the basis of the excellent heavy machine performance, it also achieves a NEDC cruising range of 400 km and a WLTP cruising range of 357 km. This is about twice the battery life of general fuel motorcycles, which completely solves the mileage anxiety of electric products. In view of the common problems of long charging time and inconvenient charging of electric products, DC100 uses the standard ternary lithium battery pack for new energy vehicles, which has high energy density, 400V high voltage platform and high rate charging and discharging, so it can use the general DC of new energy vehicles. The fast charging pile can be fully charged in about 30 minutes. For the industry, the deeper breakthrough of Davinci lies in its robotic vehicle control system. In the past 7 years of research and development, Davinci has built this car in the model of developing robots. Through the integration of software and hardware, the DC100 has the perception, calculation, and execution capabilities that only robots have. It can accurately perceive information such as ambient temperature, battery motor temperature, body inclination, motion speed, front and rear wheel speed, and ground resistance in real time. Combined with current vehicle, environmental information and user commands, the power system is precisely controlled to achieve ideal performance under various operating conditions. It is Davinci's comprehensive innovation at the product level and system architecture level that can lead the two-wheeled industry to enter the electrification process. Tesla also relied on these core technologies 10 years ago to build the cornerstone of the trillion-dollar market value. In 2021, the global demand for medium and large-sized motorcycles will be up to 2.15 million, the market size will be $25 billion, and the sales of two-wheeled electric vehicles will be 53 million. Davinci has created a market worth hundreds of billions of dollars, just as Tesla has brought about an exponential growth in the market size of the entire new energy vehicle industry in less than 10 years. In this market, Davinci has a certain first-mover advantage. DC100 entered mass production quickly after its release last year, and delivery is expected to start in the third quarter of this year. Innovative technology, extremely high production efficiency and product iteration efficiency have made Davinci an industry breaker, leading the industry in engineering technology for about 5 years. Based on the chassis architecture and system architecture of DC100, Davinci has already reserved 3 to 4 models, and will launch killer products in the future to quickly occupy the market. At the same time, Davinci is not only focusing on the whole vehicle sales track, but also considering aftermarket services such as parts sales and modified car washing as its business models. From the perspective of the capital market, on a brand new track, a company with technological leadership and high growth potential is the most valuable investment, as was the case with Tesla back then, and so is Davinci today. 10 years ago, we were questioning how far Tesla could go. Today, Tesla has become a trillion-dollar enterprise, and we are discussing how far Davinci can go. Countless facts have showed that Davinci is just like Tesla from 10 years ago. It is about to lead an epoch-making change in an industry. Okay, we just spent another 10 minutes of deep thinking. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. See you.